Hey everyone, Mortgage Nerd. Realtors, how fast are your deals closing? If you tell me 45 to 60 days, the same way others do when I ask them, you need to watch this video because you're working with the wrong people. Hey everyone, Mortgage Nerd here. Underwriting is getting faster and faster. We're closing loans faster and faster. Places around the country are taking a week, 2 weeks to underwrite. I asked realtors, say, how long is it taking for you to close loans? They say, man, I'm asking for extensions because it's taking 45, 60 days. I asked for 45-day contracts just in case, but I'm closing them under 30 days. Over and over again, we keep asking the sellers, hey, can we close early? Oh no, the seller can't, blah, 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 blah. We're closing early, we're closing fast. Let me show you the proof. You see these in my feed. I add them, just to throw them in the mix. But now let me explain what they are. Now we'll start with this one. And so this was just yesterday. 1 day underwrite. We submitted in the morning, got it back in the afternoon. This is not one of my VA loans. My VA IRRRLs, my VA refinances are very, very fast. This is an actual conventional purchase. It's a condo, came referred by a realtor who worked with me on another loan and said, you know what, Phil, I want to start sending you more business. In less than 24 hours, we got the loan approved in underwriting. So here's another one. It's a 2-day approval. So we submit the loan and 2 days later, we have underwriting. We're still waiting on title. We're still waiting on the appraisal. We're still waiting on stuff like that. Still, it's fast. It gets us in really quickly, gets us ready so that the sellers are happy. The seller's realtor is happy. Realtors, you gotta pay attention to this. Now this one, cleared to close in 3 days. That's 3 business days. We gathered all the documents, put it all together. We're waiting on title. We're waiting on the insurance. We send it to the underwriter. 3 business days later, we send back to the underwriter everything that we need. They said, this is a perfect file. You are cleared to close. 3 days from when we submitted. Of course, it wasn't 3 days from the signed application. We did work in advance to get us that very fast underwrite. So this was a purchase loan that was cleared to close in 12 days. That's amazing. And keep in mind, not only did we get clear to close in 3 days, but the rate was in the 2s. You see it right there. It says it. Now look at this one. This was a purchase. 12 days clear to close. So again, 12 days from when we submitted it to when it was clear to close. It's still very fast. Okay, it's not 2 or 3 days, but not all of them are perfect. I have some clients that are taking months. But when you send them a list of documents and it takes them 2 weeks to get it and they give you half of it and you have to ask for more, and then the next month comes and now you need a new statement, it takes a while sometimes if they're not cooperating on a refinance. So here's another one, 19 days on a refinance to clear to close. It's very fast still. They're faster right now because underwriting has gotten faster in November. This is still great. 45 and 60 days is what I'm hearing from other companies. Finally, this is another conquest. This was cleared to close in 9 days. The rate was in the 2s. Can't beat this, people. Where can you go when you can get this type of rate and service? Plus, you get me. You get the nerd. Phil Stevenson, Mortgage Nerd. Thanks.